The sad truth is that you can't actually make any decent amount of money just by watching make money online videos here on YouTube. Now, don't get me wrong, I personally create content about make money online, but the truth is that you won't actually make any decent amount of money or even make any money just by watching these videos. Now, before you argue with me, over the past few years, you've watched nothing less than 100 to 500 different make money online YouTube videos, yet you still haven't made a dime or you haven't made any decent amount of money. Now you might ask, if all these make money online videos will not make you any single amount of money, why then do we creators keep creating this sort of content about the make money online industry? Now the truth is that, well, the problem is not actually in these videos, but the problem lies between you and I and the tips I'm going to share with you in this video. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 realistic ways you can actually follow to make money off the internet. Now with this said, and without taking much of your time, let's get straight. Let me review to you these 5 important things that you need to implement if you truly want to make money off the internet. Now, the first thing you need to do if you really want to make money off the internet in this year 2025, even as a total beginner, is simply choose a real business. Now, what I mean by choose a real business is simply, most of you come over here on the internet and then you watch videos that teach you how you can perform some mini attacks, make some 0.5 cents, 0.2 cents, $1, $3, $5, $10, and you think this sort of videos will actually make you any reasonable amount of money. Now, don't get me wrong, almost every single person who makes money off the internet started with this sort of videos. But the truth is that what this sort of videos might hint about making money off the internet. But the truth is that what watching this sort of videos will rather slow your growth rather than actually helping you make any decent amount of money off the internet. So if you are someone who is really interested in actually making money off the internet, one thing I advise to do is simply abandon the idea of jumping from one make money online video to the other and then focus on one particular video that actually talks about a genuine business that can actually make money off the internet. And when it comes to this genuine business that can actually make you money off the internet, they are always spreaded everywhere. And I make more videos about this sort of businesses, and other great creators as well talk about them frequently. But the truth is that most of you get stuck in those videos that teach you how to earn, all those tap to earn apps that give you some coins after a long minutes and hours of work. So for someone who is really interested in making money online, here's one thing I advise to do: simply choose a real business. And this sort of business are simply, number one, you can get into content creation. This is a very valuable business that can make you a lot of money off the internet, even as a total beginner. And secondly, is simply through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is another great way in which you can actually use to make money off the internet, even as a total beginner, because this business doesn't require to invest anything. You just have to get started, learn how it works, and get straight to it. Now, if you want to learn how affiliate marketing works, I have a video on it. You can see over there. You can go watch it. I have so many videos about affiliate marketing, so I'll be tagging the playlist at the top there. So basically, another business you can learn here is simply content creation, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and doing other valuable stuff on the internet in order to make money. All those tap to earn videos that you see flying everywhere, how to make $100 a day, $200 a day, $500 a day, that simply shows you these apps and stuff will not actually make you any genuine amount of money in the long run. Now, I've personally tested all of these things, and I'm advising you to simply choose a real business. Now, the second thing you need to do if you really want to make money online is simply, now, if you are not interested in choosing a business or starting a business, another thing you should do is simply focus on a skill, like pick a particular skill and develop on it. Now, the lucky side of the game to me is that when I came into this space, I didn't just come here thinking I was here to make some few $10, $20, $50, and then just be smiling with those sort of pennies. I actually came into the game and fully met it. And I think that was what actually paved the way for me once I got into this make money online business as a whole. So when I came in at first, I chose content creation as my number one key business point to get started. And secondly, I also had a skill. And this skill was graphic design and video editing. Now, these are other valuable skills that can actually make you money off the internet as well. So if you are someone who is not interested in probably starting any online business, another thing you could actually see to actually make money online is simply having a skill. Now, this could be video editing, graphic designing, and freelancing, writing blog posts for clients, and so many other things that you can actually do as a normal freelancer by offering all these services through the act of learning a skill. So basically, when it comes to making money online, those videos will not make you anything. The real way to actually make money online is either having a business or having a skill. Now, the third thing is simply Most of you get stuck in the get rich quick scheme, and this has actually prevented a lot of you from making money online. Now, this boils to the point number 3 here, which simply says invest in knowledge instead of get rich quick schemes. Now, when most of you come over to the internet, you think the internet money, like the internet has a vast liquid going on that anyone at all who gets started today can actually start grabbing. But the truth is that, well, despite this being liquid, taking the wrong route will actually lead you to zero at the end of every blessed month. So another thing I would advise to do here is simply, if you really want to make money off the internet, avoid the idea of get rich quick scheme. Instead, invest your money in getting real knowledge. If you want to get into content creation, look for someone who is actually doing well as a content creator, like someone who you are seeing his channel growth. You saw the growth of his channel, someone you are witnessing growing every single day, which is improving at every aspect every single day as a content creator. If that's what you want to be, pay the person to actually teach you. Like, just get the person, pay him to actually teach you, him or her to teach you. If the person is an affiliate marketer, you want to get into affiliate marketing, pay the person to teach you. The truth is that, what, invest money that you spend on acquiring knowledge is not money wasted. Like, personally, for me, when I got into forex trading, I basically don't want to talk about how much I spent trying to learn and then understand the thing. Like, most people who were aware, most of my colleagues who were aware of all of this thought I was actually wasting my money. But then, just a year and few months later, they actually see the huge gap in the game now. Now, basically, what I would advise to do here is simply, instead of trying to chase all those get rich quick scheme, invest money in real knowledge. Pay someone to actually teach you. If you have to break the bank to get the knowledge, break the bank, get the knowledge. Provided that person is giving you real-time results, break the bank, get the knowledge, and then use that knowledge to actually refill your bank account again. The fourth point here is simply, you will surely fail before you become successful. Like, you will fail before you succeed in any of them. Even if you become a great video editor, you will not get your first high-paying client immediately. You will apply to so many job applications that you see, and then they will reject you. Like, basically, I had a lot of rejection before I got my first client, which was a luxury brand. Like, they were car and then all these luxury apartment renters. That was my very first solid client. And it took me time to actually hit this client after getting so many rejection. But during the whole process of the rejection, I did not give up. Now, this is where a lot of you actually stop it. A lot of you, when you start getting to this, your state of failure, you tend to pull back and then stop. Now, this thing will actually prevent you from actually reaching your goals. What you need to do is that, what you need to have it in mind that before you can reach any particular point in your life, you need to fail. Failures are normal. If you can accept these failures, you won't actually make money online. Like, basically, most of you pick some of the best make money online business ideas and you have them in your palm already, but then you don't make any dime from them. And you, for that particular reason, because you did not make any good amount of money for a short period of time, you tend to say that, what, this is the wrong idea for you. You are not going to make any money from it. So you just quit immediately at that state of failure. The truth is that quitting at this point will actually stop you from reaching your main goal. Like, now the final thing here is simply just be consistent. Like, consistently upload your YouTube video. Consistently do what you are doing. Like, anything you simply pick, just stay consistent with it. Now, a lot of people will tell you that, what, you can be consistently doing something and still not getting results. So you should quit because you've been doing this thing for, so just quit. Why should you quit? Like, one thing I always tell people is that before you do something, I'm the guy who don't actually put so much time in plan B. So I don't know if a lot of people watching this video are also like that. Me, I don't have those idea of, if this doesn't work out, I'll try this. If this doesn't work out, I'll try this. No. So basically, when I got into the internet space, I picked my skills from day one. And those were graphic design, video editing, forex trading, content creation. Like, I picked this particular, and social media management. So basically, social media management. Now, I picked this sort of skills from day one, and I had them in my arsenal. And every single day, I try to improve on them, consistently trying to make sure I do something with either of these skills to actually get me to the next level of them. Now, over the years of doing these things, I wasn't actually making money from them, but I was still doing them. I was still doing them, coping whatever thing I have. Now, after this 1, 2, 3 years period of time, I can actually sit back and say, thank God I was consistent even though I wasn't seeing any results. So basically, if you really want to make money online, the most important thing is simply pick something and be consistent with it. I created this YouTube channel in 2021, and since 2021 to date, I'm averaging, at least, provided that, what, my health is in good condition, I'm uploading 3 videos a week. 3 videos a week since 20, and I have over 300 and something videos on this channel already. I'm currently heading to 400 videos. Now, I've been doing this over the years, and not all of my videos are performing well. Some videos will get some few hundred views, some will go to thousands of views, some will end at 100 and something. But the truth is that what, I'm still consistently doing it, and for that reason I'm growing every single day. Most of you, if you want to be honest with yourself, you know that what, if you hadn't quit a particular skill that you picked up some years back, you would have been grinding it by now, probably enjoying it by now. But then you quitted at a point, right? That's the main reason why you are not there. So basically, guys, if you really want to make money off the internet, forget about watching thousands of videos on teaching you how to make pennies. This is the real guide you need. Now, basically, what you need to do here is simply go look for skills. Now, you don't have to stress yourself looking for a skill again. I'm a full-time internet hustler like you who actually cares about you. So I've made a lot of videos about all of these things. If you want to make money from learning skills, then I've actually made a video about it. Just go through this channel. You see me making list of some of the best skills you should actually learn. And most of the things I talk about are things I personally do. So I have enough evidence to back them up over and over again. And if you want to get started with affiliate marketing as well, I've created so many videos on affiliate marketing. I'll be tagging the playlist down in this video description. So guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.